Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. It has been used for centuries as a powerful medicinal herb due to its numerous health benefits. Today we'll be exploring the medicinal uses of garlic, September's herb of the month. Garlic contains allicin, which has potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. When you consume garlic, allicin is released and it helps your body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. This action can help prevent infections and illnesses. White blood cells, particularly immune cells like lymphocytes and macrophages, play a crucial role in the immune system. Garlic has been shown to enhance the activity of these immune cells, making them more effective at identifying and destroying invading pathogens. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system over time. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. By keeping inflammation in check, garlic supports the immune system's overall function. Garlic is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and selenium. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. By reducing the damage caused by these free radicals, garlic supports the body's overall health and immune function. Garlic helps in the detoxification process of the body. It helps the liver function properly, which is essential for filtering toxins from the bloodstream. A healthy liver contributes to a stronger immune system. A significant portion of the immune system resides in the gut. Garlic promotes a healthy gut environment by acting as a prebiotic, which means it provides nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for a healthy immune response. By the way, welcome to the old Mayfield place. I'm Snow the farmer's wife, and I teach you to be more self-sufficient in so many ways, such as growing your own food, using herbal medicine, and preserving food for long-term storage. Garlic is famous for its positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that it can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, decrease the risk of blood clots, and prevent atherosclerosis. These benefits may lower the risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of health issues worldwide. If you catch a cold or the flu, garlic can come to the rescue. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties may help ease symptoms and shorten the duration of the illness. Because heat destroys the antimicrobial effects of garlic, it is best to eat it raw for maximum effects. Chop up a garlic clove and wait 10 minutes for the allicin to develop, then swallow the garlic with a glass of water. If this is too extreme, you can mix the garlic with a tablespoon of honey after activation. Studies have shown that garlic is also effective against salmonella, E. coli, and staph infections. Inflammation can be a root cause of many health problems. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, possibly benefiting conditions like arthritis. Some studies have shown that garlic significantly decreased blood glucose levels in patients with diabetes. However, other studies have shown little or no effect, so more studies are needed to determine the usefulness in using garlic to support a healthy blood glucose level. Several studies have shown that garlic has liver-protecting properties against toxic agents such as acetaminophen and gentamicin, which is a powerful antibiotic used for serious infections. Rats fed garlic while being given high doses of acetaminophen or gentamicin did not develop the liver damage that rats not given the garlic did. While more studies need to be done, research has shown some evidence that ingesting aged garlic may help protect against the development of cancer. If you have a family history of cancer, you might want to discuss taking aged garlic as a preventative with your functional medicine provider. While garlic offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of when you should avoid taking garlic in large doses. Some individuals may be allergic to garlic. Allergic reactions range from mild skin rashes to severe respiratory problems. If you suspect you are allergic to garlic, consult your healthcare professional before using it medicinally. While garlic in your food is safe, taking large amounts of garlic can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners like warfarin. If you are taking medications, especially for blood-related conditions, consult your pharmacist or doctor before increasing your garlic intake, as it may affect how your medications work. Garlic can sometimes cause GI issues, including gas and heartburn. If you experience these, you should probably back off on your garlic consumption. Garlic is a bulb that is planted in the fall, about a month before your first hard frost. It can be planted later, but needs some time in the cold ground for it to separate into multiple cloves. Garlic comes in two types, hardneck and softneck. Choose a variety that is best for your region. After separating the cloves, plant each one about 2 inches into the ground with the pointed end up. Space them about 4 to 6 inches apart. As the leaves of the garlic grow throughout the winter, keep burying them in layers of mulch to prevent damage. Your garlic should be ready to harvest in early to midsummer. Once about half of the leaves have turned brown, carefully dig up the bulbs and lay them out in a shaded and well-ventilated place to produce the protective papery cover. Once cured, cut the stem off about 1 inch above the bulb and store in a cool, dry place. If you've grown a softneck variety, you can braid the stems to hang your garlic. It's just about time to plant your garlic, so you'd better get those bulbs ready. Thank you for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy. It's almost time to plant your garlic, and have a blessed week.